Yes. I'm standing here on the corner of 23rd Street and Park Avenue in Manhattan, New York City. Random sights and sounds. Park Avenue South. East 23rd Street and Park Avenue. This is what's going on right now. Traffic. People are going by. Just another day in the Big Apple. This is what it looked like. See those trees in the divider? There's not a lot of streets where trees divided in the center lane like that. All this kind of interesting. Temperature right now in the low 70s. They've been doing construction here, so this is how it's been looking. Bye. I'll be back. Bye. I'll be back. I'll be back.